Very good morning, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So the last two deals of the day's videos, which I have posted on the gold, the setup hasn't been completed, and sadly the trade was not triggered. And hopefully this time it will be okay, and hopefully we will actually enter this trade, and let's see now how it goes. So of course, before that, I just wanted to mention that I'm very happy and proud about our results in the premium group. As you can see, my friends, these are our results, almost 100% in profit. I think only the CAT CHF now is going to the take profit number one. However, I'm very proud and happy about these results, and I think they are amazing. This is exactly what Extreme Trader Forex Signals is all about. We are usually seeing these results, and hopefully we will continue to see them. So I'm very happy and very proud, and I just wanted to share with you my feelings. Anyway, let's now check the gold. Now the gold actually is showing us some promising setups. Now if we check the gold actually has already went all the way to the take profit level, which I have mentioned from the last weekly analysis video. That means that most likely the gold is gonna continue the rise. Now the question is where we can start again buying the gold. Let's go back to the old chart. Now if we look carefully, my friends, we had right here previously a resistance, and that where is my tools? Drawing tool, which is called, by the way, Epic Pen. Now as you can see, we had right here this previous resistance. That resistance has been broken out by this bullish breakout candle. Right now the market has reversed on the resistance on 1797. Now what's gonna happen next? Let me show you something here. If we check this carefully, look at this strong bullish breakout candle. Now where is the nearest support to this bullish breakout candle? The nearest support to this candle, actually we can look at this level right here, and we can tell that this was a strong key support level. Now remember, I'm on the 4-hour time frame, so let me just put the line right here, this support line, exactly like that. Perfect. So now we can see that this is actually the resistance level which has been broken out from, because as we can see also, we can see that this one here, we have long wicks at the top of the candles, and this one also right here, the lowest level of the support at the lowest level also of the tails. Now it's very easy to tell also that we had right here a resistance trend line. Let me just zoom out. If we look carefully right here, my friends, we can see that right here we have this resistance trend line, exactly like that. That resistance trend line, 1 second, exactly like this. That resistance trend line has been also breaking out from. So this breakout candle actually cannot be underestimated. It's actually the reason for all this, the whole idea of this deal, and we are actually depending on it. This breakout candle actually have made 140, almost 150 pips alone. So that means that the rise was actually major. I think this is supported by the current situation of the pandemic in India, and the gold prices in general are actually rising. So anyway, what's going to happen next? Well, now we can see that the market is reversing exactly on the resistance, and therefore we can wait for the market to fall all the way down right here, retesting the broken resistance trend line to create the new support trend line, and from there we can start again buying the gold. Not to mention, of course, that we also right here have this strong support trend line, and therefore we can expect from the market to fall all the way right here to this level, and you can see the candle goes all the way down also to hit again the same support trend line before finally rises. So therefore this is exactly where I'm going to place my trade. Just to be safe, I'm going to place the buy order exactly right here at the lowest level of the support, which is gonna be like 76 pips far away. So therefore we can set the buy order on the level 1783.35, and the stop loss will be placed below that support level right here. Why? Because as I said before, the market has a potential to fall down all the way again and touches that support trend line before rises. That's why the stop loss has to be placed below that level. If the market is ever going to reach that level, it means that the pair actually has fallen, and actually the retest of the broken support, the broken resistance trend line has actually failed. Now the problem with this is actually 170 pips, 183 pips of the stop loss, which is not so fine. So let me just try to find the way, and for the safety and make sure everything is okay, let me depend right now on that support level. Now for one reason, we don't want people to lose much money on this trade, because honestly and being frankly speaking, there might be a chance that the market actually might fall all the way to this support level, right here. And if I'm not mistaken, just to be safe, I decided that this is actually better level to start buying for two reasons. Number one, this is also a support which is nearest one to the breakout candle. Second one is there is a chance that the market actually might fall down here to create a tail or a pin bar before it's gonna continue the rise. So therefore, and to make sure we are not losing so many pips, this is actually a better level for the buy, and the stop loss will be placed like only 135 pips only, which I believe fair enough. Let me just drag it a little bit more down, exactly like that. So I think this is actually much better right now, and the deal looks now more safe. Now for the take profit level, of course, we will be aiming the peak of the resistance at 1700 and 1813.47. So therefore, this is exactly our target, where actually we are, I believe the gold is going to continue the rise to. That's going to be about 341 pips. Let's hope this deal is going to be very profitable, and hopefully we'll make good profit out of it. So the target will be 1812.60. And of course, for the stop loss, let me just write it for you. Stop loss will be placed at 64.26. Now again, remember guys, this is a deal about the gold, and we have to be always very careful and wise when we are entering the trade of the gold, because the gold actually moving very fast, and 100 pips is almost nothing there. You have to be always considering a proper lot size and proper money management, risk management, all of that you have to consider. Just because this deal coming from Extreme Trader doesn't mean it's gonna be 100% profitable and correct one. The market is always changing, and we have to be always prepared for any kind of these changes. So I believe it's going to be also a good deal, and hopefully we will make good profit out of it. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.